We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Revit architecture software.
This figure shows an example for massing in Revit. Massing tool is generally used to create architectural building with non-uniform shapes as shown in this figure. For demonstrating massing tool, here I am opening a new architectural project template. Click on Massing and Site tab and select Inplace Mass icon under Conceptual Mass panel. Before we starting the modeling, we should create different levels to define the shapes at each levels. First, open the lower level of our project to define the shape of the project using draw tools. The same can be repeated in all other levels as per our requirements. Next, we have to go to 3D view and select the shapes or profiles that we have drawn. To create a solid form between the profiles, click on Create Form icon and select Solid Form from the drop-down menu. And click on the Finish button. Now you can see the solid form that we have created. Next, we should apply curtain system, roof and floor to this structure. Here initially I am applying curtain system tool. Go to Massing and Site tab. Click on curtain system. Select the required curtain system from the property box. Then click on each face like this. And click on Create System. Next, we will give roof to the structure. Select Roof tool from the Massing and Side tab. And select the required roof from the property box. And click on the face like this. And click on Create Roof. Next, we will give floor to this structure. Before that, we need to create a mass floor at each level defined for a mass. Select the whole structure using Tab key. And click on Mass Floor. And now a dialog box is opened. Tick on the levels you want to create the mass floor. And click OK. Now you can see the mass floor that we have created. Then click on the Floor tool in Massing and Side tab. And click on the face created mass floor. And click on Create Floor. This is our final preview of the 3D model. Thanks for watching this video.